Everyone, wow, what a day over on Twitter with the Trias content. I shared this earlier and I said, you're the first, you're hearing it here first pretty much. And what I was trying to show you guys is that Trias is mirroring a previous correction. In fact, it's this correction over here. When we got that KuCoin ST tag, we saw a sharp dump to $250. I had a target at $250 anyways, and even before the ST tag was put on Trias over on the KuCoin exchange, because of this candle with huge wicks to the upside, as well as this move down, having the golden pocket in this area, that wick for me was a strong enough suggestion that we would continue lower. And pretty much I had a target down at $250, but we only managed to get to that target super fast due to the ST tag. If you're still worried today about KuCoin, the KuCoin ST tag over on Trias, then what I must show you is that this is where it was put on, and look at where it is today. It dropped down to 250 as I predicted, and that was exactly my target, no lower. We reversed, pumped into $4.50, got trapped under $4.50 to $5. We came back to $3.50. I called that exact bottom even before we got down to that price. And then look at the continuation we got, all with that thing hanging over its shoulder, the ST tag. And so you can see over here, is there something to worry about? After the dump, you can see clearly after a 500% move, no, not really. So don't use that as the be all end all. So where I'm spotting this pattern at the moment is this very correction. I'm starting from this point over here and essentially using this as my left shoulder, head and right shoulder, followed by a breakout, consolidation period, another breakout that kind of fails to break the high, falling back to like a trend line over here, as you can see, and then breaking out. I did earlier on Twitter place it on the right just to show you that it's what we're doing right now. I did something like this, and a lot of people were saying, Louis, it's gonna happen before June. The main net is very soon. It's not gonna dump to $10. It would be such a shame to dump to $10. Guys, all I was trying to show you, and I had these lines as well, all I was trying to show you is that Trias at the moment is pretty much over here. But yeah, I guess I have to make it clearer than crystal clear over on Twitter. I know that now. So yeah, as soon as I saw all those comments after doing a one-to-one mentorship session with one of my new students, shout out to him, essentially pretty much saw the mess, had to redo the analysis and just pretty much move it to the left just so you can see now. I don't know how you weren't able to see it before. Hopefully you did. And yeah, pretty much you can see head and shoulders here, followed by the breakout, consolidation, which is this. And then we're looking for another breakout and then fall back to somewhere here and then getting that huge break. And even if this line is on the exact date of 23rd of March 2024, I'm not expecting it to get met on this. It's just a guide, guys. Honestly, whenever I put a line that finishes there, for example, I'm not saying it's going to 100% be in time for that day exactly. There's no time stamps on trading. If anyone is telling you this is going to be here on this, it's all a bunch of guesswork. It's all BS. There's no way of guessing when a target or a price point will get met on a specific date. It doesn't exist. But you can predict where the price is going, just not how long it will take. How can I predict where price is going? Well, if we're looking to break the all-time high, then the two significant highs that we have at the moment are $26 and $32. So that's why, for me, those two levels have been acting like a magnet since the break of $5. I have been saying when Trias was at $2.50, when Trias was at $3.50, that one day it will surpass the all-time high. That is the magnet. So once we break out, that is where we're targeting. Of course, there were levels along the way. We know that we want to continue to hold $12.30, and then which is this low over here, the left shoulder, and we will just eventually continue higher. I know that earlier today, when you saw this, a lot of people were going crazy I've never seen so many comments on a post, let alone all of them being like conspiracy theories. Like, here we go. Engagement farming. Come on, guys. All I'm trying to show you is literally clear. That's what I'm trying to show you. I'm drawing it out. Shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Trend line, breakout, retest. All I'm trying to show you is that we're pretty much like 70% of the way through a previous pattern that was just down over here. It's literally all of this, and we're nearly finishing that. And when you put it exactly on top, it's also calling for my 2 targets that I've been saying for the past few months. But I was contemplating posting the chart on Twitter like this, but I knew it'd be confusing, so I just put it to the right so you could see it was all the same. But I don't see how it could be confusing, but yeah, I guess I can at the same time. It just says a lot. It means that you need to keep going, guys. You need to keep learning. This over here is called bars pattern. It's over on the long and short position. So what you want to do is click long and short position, and then you can go and click bars pattern. So you're definitely learning something new today. And I just noticed that the pattern's the same with the setup at the moment. So I'm just like pulling that and then trying to resize it all together and then placing it. And then you can see perfectly we're looking for the all-time high, essentially. So that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll make it clearer than crystal clear next time on Twitter, but I hope a lot of you did understand. Even if we go to really, really, really popular Trias followers, Trias influencers, Damien has so much confidence from the people here. He's got 4,000 followers. He's from Australia. So I've had a massive influx of Australian students in the Discord community. Shout out to Damien for making everyone aware of my Trias posts. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, he was just pretty much saying that he died inside from earlier today, had a good laugh, and that he feels for me. Honestly, it just shows that it's actually quite good. It's saying that some of you are still new to this, but the fact that you're even looking at Trias puts you ahead of even myself when I first started, because for over a year, I was just focused on top 100 coins. In my first bull market, we were just focused on top 100 coins, but I've realized over the last 3 years since our last top that I want to be exposed to these smaller projects. That's why we've been in Trias since sub 10 million market cap, and we're now sitting at almost 200 million. So if you want to get in early, join the Discord. You get so much for the value. It's only $25 a month. I'm supporting you there daily and shifting your mentality into mine. On top of that, you do actually gain access to myself live through the weekly live streams, where you can question me anything that you have, and we'll analyze any charts and pretty much, yeah, shifting that mentality, the mindset. It's all about psychology, guys. So I'll catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Cheers.